What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can print Viver messages. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, or let's say the alternative one if not possible. So let's just get started guys. Don't worry about anything. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section. So as we know that Fiverr is a platform where you chat and then send photos and everything like that, even the files. So let's say I want to print this particular messages over here. So in Fiverr there is no any inbuilt function, or let's say inbuilt system to print Fiverr messages, but what you can do is you can just go to the chat and you can screenshot it, and then from there you can print it out. So that's pretty much guys, that's one of the alternative ways to print the Viber messages. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.